Today we are going to review a very important and famous book from the land of Tamil Nadu. The book name is Silappatikaram. The book is written by Ilango Vadigal. The book dates back to 2nd century AD. That is almost they say 190 or 200 from the current year. It is almost 1800 years ago this book was written. This is an important book for all the people of Tamil Nadu, not only Tamil Nadu, the entire world can glimpse the life in the 2nd century in Tamil Nadu. This book by Ilango Vadigal talks about the three kingdoms in Tamil Nadu, especially the Cholas, Pandyas and the Cheras. Okay, let's come to the point that according to we have been discussing a lot about Asivagam. The main book which talks about Asivagam was written by A.L. Basham in the year 1951. The book name is History and Doctrines of the Ajivikas, and he also says a vanished Indian religion. This was a religion, it is practiced in India. It was pre-Buddhist and pre-Jainism as well as pre-Hinduism or the Brahmanism. The oldest religion in India is Asivagam, and this religion was founded by the Tamil people of India. Okay, it was all started, A.L. Basham wrote a book about India, a wonder that was called as India, and in that book only he discovers about this religion called the Ajivikas. So later he goes on to do his PhD, and the topic for his PhD is about Asivagam or the Ajivikas, and he completed his work in the year 1951. In this book he mentions that though the Ajivikas were there in the Western India, especially the Magadhan Empire, especially around Bihar and a little bit of West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, the Varanasi and Patna. But he traces the roots to Tamil Nadu, and he says this vanished Indian religion had a presence in Tamil Nadu until the 14th century. And he talks about various literature in Tamil which talks about Asivagam. So he mentions almost 4 to 5 books in that. Silappatikaram, Manimegalai and Neelakesi and Sivavakyar's books are referred for his work. So the first mentioned of Asivagar is, we can see it in this book by Ilango Vadigal in Silappatikaram. In Silappatikaram, we all know that it's a story about Kannagi and Kovalan, born to two merchants, rich merchants in the city of ancient Puhar, the maritime capital of the Cholas. So the Kannagi and Kovalan were married and living peacefully, and Kovalan falls in love with Madhavi and squanders his wealth. And later he wants to forget everything and go to Madurai and start a new life, where he tries to sell the ankle bracelet of Kannagi, and he gets caught, and they mistake him as a thief, and the king orders the soldiers to murder Kovalan. So Kannagi in a act of anger burns the entire city of Madurai and then goes to the Chera region. Okay, the best thing about this, upon hearing the sad story of Kovalan's father gives away his wealth and becomes or gets into the sevenfold monastery of Indra. So we don't know sevenfold monastery of Indra. Here the author refers to the Buddhist or the Jains. We don't know because Indra is there in both the religion, Buddhism, Jainism, as well as even in Asivagam. Then what happens is Kannagi's father, Manaikan, also gives away all his wealth and becomes an Ajivika in front of Asivagars. So that is the first reference to Asivagam in Tamil in the book Silappatikaram. And then what happens to Madhavi is she also enters the nunnery of the Buddhas or the Buddhists. So here we have a reference to all these three religion. This book talks about all the four religion: Hinduism, Jainism, Asivagam, and the Buddhist. And this is a very important book. It talks about the landscape of Tamil Nadu, the flora and fauna of Tamil Nadu, the three kingdom, discussed elaborately the landscapes from the sea to the mountain regions and the prosperous Madurai. So the interesting thing is that Kannagi's father becomes Asivagar is mentioned in this book, as we had been telling, and it shows the presence of Asivagam in Tamil Nadu. Going into much details, this book has got a wealth of information about the ancient Tamil Nadu, and you can read either the Tamil version or the English version. This is written by Alain Danielou in the year 1965, published by Rupa Publishers, and very important book. It has got three book 1 is about Puhar, book 2 Madurai, and book 3 is Vanchi, published in India by Aleph Book Company, and it's a very important book, and it will be a pleasure reading this book, and you will also find the religious landscape of the great Tamil Nadu. Thank you.